What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. Now, if y'all tuned into my last video, you seen I had the future pair of the CPFM Air Force Ones, and I told y'all in that same video that I got a wrapper for the white pair and the black pair. Now, I passed up on the white pair because I didn't really care for it that much, but I did cop the black pair. I needed them in my collection, so all that being said, man, I got the black pair in hand. You probably already know about the thumbnail. You probably seen my reel and all that good stuff too if you've seen my other videos and all that. But I got the full-blown review for y'all today, man. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. This, you know, that CPFM package, man. You know, them CPFM guys. But I've jumped, man. You see that the box itself is still the same as the other pair that came out. Nothing different about it. It's still the same package and still the same design, still the same Nike on the top, Nike on the side with the Air Force One branding. And the, you know, all the logo placement on the box. Only difference is the size tag. And the size tag does read Nike Air Force One Low SP. The colorway is black, white. So with that being said, it's the all black Air Force One with just a little dash or something special on it. But let me get you a look at that size tag real quick. Y'all see that right there. Nothing special about the size tag. Same thing, you know, with the other pair, just a little different colorway. That's all it is. But enough about the box. Let's get into the packaging, man. Nothing really different with the packaging. It still comes with the same dust bag that the other pair came with, that carpet material. I don't know what you want to call this, like beach towel, carpet, rough feeling material, but as you can see, it's still the same branding, Nike Air Force One. Just do it with all the logo placed on the bag as well. So nothing different about the bag. Same blue paper as well, that real sky blue type of paper they have on the box, inside the box as well. So nothing different about that. Everything is virtually the same when it comes to packaging. The only difference is the sneaker itself, man. So on this side, you kind of get your typical black Air Force One, nothing special. But you turn this joint around, you get the air placement, the same little up-tempo vibes as all the other CPFM Air Force Ones have with the fuchsia pair, the moss pair, and the white pair. Got that same, you know, up-tempo air placement going down at an angle, that little slant angle. But me personally, I don't know what it is about this black pair that really is, I think it's my favorite. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Fuchsia is cool. Fuchsia is definitely like, these are like tied with first place as far as my favorite when it comes to the CPFM Air Force Ones. But it's something about this black pair, man. I don't know, it just do it for me. I know it sounds crazy to say like a pair of black Air Force Ones is your favorite, but it's not a plain pair of black Air Force Ones. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you can tell, I don't know if you can really see on camera, but that leather quality is not the same as your typical Air Force One would have. This is more of a premium feel to it. Same with the fuchsia pair. It had a more premium feel for the leather. Has a leather sock liner, and even come with white lace jacket, as y'all can see inside the shoe. So it comes with a lot of differences as opposed to, you know, your typical pair of black Air Force Ones. Ain't the same shoe, honestly. The other shoe, you know what I'm saying? This is how you see the air placement on the side, like the up tempo. And then the main difference between this pair and all the other pairs, instead of saying sunshine, you get that flea going across the side of the shoe right there. So that's a crazy, you know, different touch. I think a lot of the older pairs that came out like in 2020 had that air flea on the side like the white pair did too. But this time around, the white pair, the fuchsia pair, the moss pair, they all say air sunshine. So one shoe has the, you know, air, and then the other shoe just has sunshine going across the whole entire shoe. So that's what makes this one stand out kind of more to me, is just the fact that it just says flea. So it's a lot different than all the other pairs. But I mean, it makes sense. You wouldn't put sunshine on an all black pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? That would look kind of crazy, because with the sunshine there, ain't no sunshine on these. But in my opinion, that flea just adds a major difference to it. Gives like a different feel to it. Once again, the leather quality on this shoe is top tier, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, this is real good quality leather. It's not like, of course, ain't no designer like Louis Vuitton and all that, but for a pair of Air Force Ones, this kind of leather is definitely a cut above the rest of all the Air Force Ones that's ever been out. But once again, with this shoe, nothing major when it comes to the differences as far as like insoles, and like still that same, you know, heat pad insole. Y'all can see that right there. Let me pull it out for y'all so y'all can see these insoles, even though it's the same as the other pair, but still it's a review. I gotta show y'all the insoles as well. So y'all can see, same insoles as the other pair had, that heat pad, that thermal signature on the, you know what I'm saying, the red and the blue for the left and the right. So nothing different with the insoles. They pretty much, the shoe is all the same all around. The only difference is the colorway and then the flea on the side. Other than that, same Air Force One, same design, same leather, same feel, same fit, all that. And then of course, you get these thick, like rope flat white laces. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, when I unds these shoes, I'm going straight white lace. I don't care for the black lace. The black lace is cool, you know, I might wear them every now and then, but The white lace, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. It's something about some white laces and black shoes. It sounds kind of crazy, but it's different, man. I don't know what it is with me and white laces, but I love white laces, cream laces, any kind of different color laces that I can put in my shoe, I'm gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? I like to be a little different when it comes to like lacing, you know. If a shoe comes with extra laces, I'm gonna put in at least one pair of extra laces at least once, you know what I'm saying? I'm at least try that to see how it looks. Like even with the Travis Scott, like the olive lows, then it came with red laces, white, olive, of course. I tried every lace, you know, at least once to see how it looked. And you know, even still, the white laces are still, in my opinion, when it comes to sneakers, white laces are always gonna just make the shoe pop so much more. I don't know what it is about the white laces and cream laces that make shoes just pop like 10 times more than they would if you just had like the plain, whatever stock laces that come with the shoe in at the time. There are only a few shoes I can think of out the top of my head that probably would look good with like the stock laces, like the Travis Scott 6s, and of course, those laces look good with those. But other than that, man, something about them white laces, man, that just make the shoe seem so much better. I don't know what it is, but that's just my take on it. I don't know if y'all feel the same way, if y'all put white laces in y'all shoes too when y'all get them, but these gotta go white lace, man. It look crazy on this side. Y'all just see a plain black Air Force One. It do look kind of crazy. But once again, that air on the side make the shoe look so much better. Now, this shoe is an extremely wearable sneaker, you know what I'm saying? It's all black, so it ain't gonna be hard to put no outfit together where you can put on anything you want to in the world, put these on. So if y'all wanna cook these, you know, beat them up, throw them around, this is a real cook, beat up type of shoe, you know what I'm saying? Because it's an all black sneaker. Now, once again, I wouldn't suggest you do beat these up like that, because if you do wanna get another pair resale, you know, retail $150. If you want to pay $250, you know what I'm saying, whatever the case may be for these shoes, and you want to go in the resale market and buy another pair if you got them for retail, hey, by all means, go for it, do it. That's what you spent your money on. But me personally, I don't want to cook no shoes that if I want to get them again, I got to pay $250 or $300 for it just to get another clean pair. I'm gonna try my best to not cook these, but I mean, once again, they are Air Force One. Toe box and Air Force One, they are kind of, you know, they crease really easily, but the leather on these shoes kind of good, so maybe the toe box might stand the test of time. Who knows? I guess only time will tell. Get a few wears out of these. Hopefully they don't crease within the first wear. Sometimes people get Air Force Ones, them just be creasing the first time they put them on their feet. So hopefully these just don't do that. I'm gonna do all I can. I don't got no crease protectors, them little force fields and all this stuff to put on my shoes to see if it's gonna crease or not, but it's all good. I don't be doing nothing crazy when I put my shoes on. I'm not gonna be doing running no miles and fighting nobody, doing the crazy in no shoes. I trying to put the shoes on a little fly. I ain't trying to do anything crazy with no shoes, man. So I don't plan on beating these up, but if you did get these and you plan on cooking these, hey man, they're your shoes, wear your sneakers, man. Do what you wanna do with your sneakers, because at the end of the day, they're yours. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody else's to tell you what to do with your shoes. But that's just my personal opinion on it. I love these shoes, man. They're gonna get plenty of wears out of me. The leather quality good on them, the details, the materials, once again, the accessories that come with the little dust bag, extra laces. I mean, it's not your typical Air Force One. That's why it's considered the SP, which is a special project because of the higher end leather they use, the extra laces, the dust bag, the packaging, pretty much all the little details that CPFM does. They're gonna give you all the bells and whistles. Like CPFM, when they drop something, it's always gonna be unique. It's always gonna be something extra. It's never gonna be inside the box. They always think outside the box. Especially like with the Air Fleet 2s, the real big bulky shoes they drop. It's like always something different when it comes to Cactus Plant Flea Market. So I'm gonna get my words out of these. Hopefully if y'all did, want these, y'all was able to cop for retail. I seen a lot of retail dubs on release day on the CPFM website. I've seen a lot of people double up. I've seen people get the white and the black pair of emails like I did. If you do want these, you have the money to pay resale. Hopefully wherever you buy them from, whether it be a app or a store or somebody you know, hopefully they don't hit you over the head with no crazy price, talking about something $350, $400, because I wouldn't see myself paying no $400 for these. I mean, don't get me wrong though, that flea is kind of, I don't know, it do something, but I just can't see myself paying no $300 for these, man. It's just, at the end of the day, it's still an Air Force One. No matter how you spin it, no matter what you put on it, it's an Air Force One. Like, it's an Air Force One that has like it's a top tier Air Force One. You know what I'm saying? It ain't one of the regular ones you go to the Nike store, hey, let me get a size, whatever. And these, you go to Foot Locker and get a pair of white Forces, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all call them G-Nikes, Uptowns, Fazos, whatever y'all call them in y'all city, whatever they might be, y'all go to the store, copy y'all Air Force Ones and not call it a day. But these ain't your typical Air Force One. And I don't know, man. That's what makes me so, I guess, more prone to wanting to have these, because I don't really care for Air Force Ones like that for real. But since these are like a collab and it's something different, it makes me more, I guess it's a more attractive sneaker. than your typical pair of all black, you know, stompers. You know, this side you got the black stompers. You know, all you see is a pair of black Air Force Ones. Like I see you spinach on around, you got that flea, add a little style to it. You know, it's a stomper with style. It ain't your typical Air Force One, like I said earlier. But with all that being said, man, once again, hope y'all did get to cop these for retail. Y'all got y'all true size, y'all personal size. Y'all had to worry about paying no crazy resale prices if y'all did cop for resale. Hopefully the price you paid was the price you was cool with. It wasn't no, you know, they held the tax. It wasn't no crazy, like I said, 400. Only pair I see going for like around 400 is the Future pair. That pair is, I guess, more rare because only dropped on the CPFM website as opposed to these dropping on sneakers. The Moss pair dropped on sneakers and so did the white pair. So all those dropped on sneakers. These are the only ones that, the Future only pair that didn't drop on sneakers. So that pair is a little bit more rare, you know, a little bit more hard to obtain because it only came out on one website. Everybody to get a chance to get those, like everybody, like you did when you had like the sneakers album or something like that. So I was lucky to hit on the Future pair, you know, on the CPFM website and these as well. So I get 2 CPFM dubs. Hopefully the next CPFM drop they do, I'm able to hit on those too. But they might see like, hey, this might get a little bit too many, you know, too many wins on our side. Let me slow down. That might push a button or something, turn my luck down. But hopefully that ain't true. Hopefully the next drop I get more, you know, retail dubs. So I can get more reviews out for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course, I want to wear this shoe. I'm not just doing this just for the review, but I do want to wear these. Like this is a pair that I ain't gonna lie to you. This is actually one of my favorite pairs that dropped this year, and it's crazy to say that because it is an Air Force One. It's just, I don't know, it's something like it. Once again, man, that flea. Let me show y'all this flea one more time. It's something about this flea on here, man. I don't know what it is about that really just draws me to this shoe. But like that with the white lace, like you put that white lace inside there, you get that, you know, that little outline of the air and the flea and all. It's gonna make the shoe look so much better. Y'all gonna see, man. When I put these on feet, if y'all follow me on IG, y'all definitely will see that when I style these, you know, that's how they gonna look with the white laces. But even still, I'm pretty sure you've already seen other pictures of people wearing it with the white laces as well. So I'm putting the white laces in instantly as soon as I put these on feet, straight to toe with the white lace. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all watching my videos, y'all tuning into my channel, getting my views up, my subscribers up, constantly growing, getting closer and closer to 1K subscribers, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all for watching all my videos, man, because that really helped me, you know, keep me motivated, keep me grinding, keep me pushing, keep me going. So I can get more reviews out for y'all, like I said. But with all that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. If y'all new here, make sure you pressing that subscribe button, that share button, and that like button, man. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend, and make sure that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.